Hey, it's Jen, and I am a homeschool wife, mom, essential oil educator, and homeopath and aromatherapist. And I've been doing this for over a decade, and I love educating people on all of those things. So let's talk about Yarrow Essential Oil. Also, if you wouldn't mind liking and subscribing, I'd love to stay connected to you. And I'm going to tell you how to get my free guide of what are the best essential oils and their uses. I think you're gonna really like that one. So Yarrow Essential Oil is a really great part to add to your healthy skincare routine. So what you're gonna do is you are going to wash your face. You're gonna cleanse your face. I love the doTERRA Essentials Cleanser. It's gentle, it's really cost effective, it's safe, and it doesn't have toxins because so many cleansers that you buy at the store are just full of toxins. Nasty. You don't want that on your skin, right? It gets into your bloodstream in less than 30 seconds. Stay away from that stuff. Then you're going to use toner if you choose. I love the doTERRA toner. Some people love toner, some people don't, so that's up to you. Then you are going to take your Yarrow Pom oil. Now it comes in this little dropper type bottle, and you'll notice that it's blue. It's a blue oil, just like Balance oil or Blue Tansy is blue. This one is blue, and you are going to put it wherever you want it. It's up to you, wherever you want it. It's the reason I'm putting it under my eyes right now to show you this is it is so great for puffy eyes. It's so good if you have dark circles under your eyes. So any place that you have a wrinkle or an age spot, puffy eyes, dark circles. So first thing in the morning after you wash your face, you get out of the shower and you're getting ready to go and you're like, oh, I got these puffy eyes. Yarrow is going to be your best friend. So the Yarrow Essential Oil, it also has pomegranate oil in it. And this is going to be something that you're going to come to absolutely love like I do. Then you're going to moisturize on top of that. So I use the doTERRA Anti-Aging Moisturizer. I love it so much. So that's going to be a really important part of your healthy skincare routine. So pump some of it into your hand, into your palm, and you can just add it on straight. You can put your moisturizer on straight, or you can add another drop of Yarrow Pom. You can add a drop or two of Frankincense, which is like the king of oils and great for all things beauty, health, cellular, all the things. Frankincense is amazing. Even Blue Tansy, those are all good choices. Rub it in and just put it all over your face. So you are doing a healthy skincare routine without any toxins. So this Yarrow Essential Oil is such a great part of a skincare routine without all of the poisons and scents and fragrances. So Yarrow Essential Oil is definitely one that you're going to want to have in your home and in your routine. So I'd love to stay connected to you. So if you would like and subscribe, I would love that. And then we'll let you know when we put out some more videos. And then down below in the comments, you can get the free guide of what are the best essential oils and their uses. So you guys have a great day, and we will chat again soon on the next video.